live journey to Miss Nepal 2020. Mahu Nishma Chaudhary, and this is a very special kind of session that we are having. It is called Chit Chat with Sash Sisters. Ramasanga hununcha Miss Nepal 2020 ko contestants haru. We have 5 contestants with us right now. We have contestant number 10 Riya, we have contestant number 18 Namrata, we have contestant number 8 Sija, and we have contestant number 21 Astika. And we have contestant number 14, Shimal. Shimal just looked at me like this, yeah. Okay, welcome to the show, ladies.
Thank you.
That's great, that's great. You all are having a good time. Looks like you all are having a good time.
Yes, barely much.
Okay, so मलाई चाहिँ क्लोज क्याम्पमा कस्तो फिलिङ भइरहेछ भन्ने कुरा थाहा पाउनु मन छ हैन. I really want to ask Sija, how's the close camp going?
एकदम रमाइलो भइरहेछ हैन. सबैजनासँग एकदम धेरै घुलमिल भएर हुन्छ नि, ट्राइङ टु ब्रिङ आउट द फन पार्ट अफ देम गर्न ट्राई गरिरहेको छु मैले चाहिँ, एटलिस्ट बिकज आइ एम भेरी फन लभिङ पर्सन. मलाई हाँस्न रमाउन मनपर्छ. अलिअलि स्ट्रेस त छ हैन, ट्रेनिङ्स एन्ड अलको सेसन्सको स्ट्रेस छ, बट देन अलिकति लिजर टाइममा वी ट्राई टु बी मतलब फन पार्ट पनि आओस् न जस्तो चाहिँ ट्राई गरिरहेछौँ.
Okay, you're trying to bring out the moments अलिअलि टाइम पाउँदाखेरि.
Yes.
That's nice. Namrata.
एकदमै रमाइलो भइरहेको छ, and we are being treated very nicely and by the venue of course, and the hospitality is amazing, so we are really looking forward to the journey.
Okay, Riya, how's it going?
सेम हियर एकदमै रमाइलो भइरहेछ. अलिअलि अब हेक्टिक पनि हुँदै गइरहेछ नाउ सिन्स द फिनाले इज कमिङ, अनि त्यसपछि अलिक चिसो पनि भइरहेछ.
That I agree with. That I agree with, and it's regardless of the close camp, right? Astika.
मलाई त फर्स्टले भन्नुपर्दा नै इट्स रियली कुल फर मी होइन. यति जाडो बढ्दै गइरहेछ है, तर फ्रेन्ड्सहरूको वार्मथ एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ इट्स रियली नाइस कि एकदम रमाइलो भइरहेछ.
Okay, Simon.
Close camp is very much interesting. It is something very new to me, you know, so I'm trying to enjoy and learn at the same time, and I'm also building a lot of connections with all of them, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, wonderful. So, you cold ko kura aayalyo haina. So, are you guys feeling, I don't know if I should use the word, but bad that Miss Nepal, your batch of Miss Nepal is happening in winter?
A little. समरमा भएको भए मोर एडभान्टेजेस हुन्थ्यो.
होइन, तर पहिला समरमा भइरहेको त नि, यो पालि विन्टरमा
something
हुँदाखेरि द्याट्स अ न्यू थिङ भनौँ न.
So
She loves winter, by the way.
How weird. Why? Okay, so I really want to know, why do you want to be a Miss Nepal? This is one question I think everyone wants to know from everyone, and I want to know this from each contestant. So I just want to know why you want to be a Miss Nepal. We'll start with Simon.
Okay, so ever since I was a child, I used to participate in different stage programs, and that used to make me confident. And today, as I turn 24, I kind of miss that platform. And Miss Nepal is a similar stage for me that can make me more confident and empowered. So, which is why I participated in Miss Nepal. Thank you.
I don't know why I felt like doing that, but that was nice. Astika.
मेरो लागि मिस नेपाल हेज अलवेज बिन अ ड्रिम है. बच्चैदेखि हुन्छ नि यही मिस नेपाल जस्तो लाग्ने कि, अनि एज अ ग्रु अप आई फेल लाइक ल ओके आई हेभ टु पुश माई बााउन्ड्रिज जस्तो लाग्ने होइन. अनि अहिले चाहिँ त्यही हो, टु लिभ अप टु द एक्सपेक्टेसन्स द्याट आई ह्याड एज अ चाइल्ड, गोइङ गेटिङ देयर बिस्तारै.
That's good. Sija.
मेरो पनि टु सम एक्सटेन्ट चाइल्डहुडकै मेमोरिज छ होइन. सानो बेलामा चाहिँ आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर एभ्री इयर मिस नेपाल वुड बी क्राउन्ड, अनि उहाँहरूको चाहिँ पोस्टर्स चाहिँ ब्यानर्सहरूमा रोडको साइडमा हुन्थ्यो कि, अनि आई युज टु अलवेज लुक अप टु देन, ओ सच अ प्रिटी लेडिज होइन, पनि आई वान्ट टु बी अन द्याट पोस्टर समडे जस्तो हुन्थ्यो. बट आई नेभर न्यू वाट मिस नेपाल वाज or what its purpose was. But growing up I came to know it's a beauty pageant, it's a national pageant, and it's not just about beautiful faces but about beautiful hearts and what the Miss Nepals have been doing. And what Miss Nepal, the journey of Miss Nepal, being even a contestant, so many opportunities unfolds for us. So त्यो पनि थियो. Growing up I came to know that, and in addition to it, we get to represent our country in an international platform. That's a huge and prestigious opportunity one could ever get. So यही कुराहरूले चाहिँ my urge to join Miss Nepal got stronger and stronger every year. This year I finally decided to join, and I'm here today.
She's here today. Okay, Namrata.
So I grew up watching Miss World 1994 Aishwarya Rai, and ever since I wanted to be a part of Miss World. So one of the major reasons I'm in Miss Nepal is I want to be a part of Miss World.
Ah, nice. That's why I think it's the second time you're participating.
Yes.
I really time and again mention that because it's very rare. former contestants they return back. Huna ta huncha, but it's very rare, and I was really happy to see Namrata.
Happy to be among those rare people.
Okay, Riya.
मेरो लागि चाहिँ it was never like I want to be Miss Nepal, मेरो बच्चादेखिको ड्रिम त्यस्तो त कहिले पनि थिएन. It was like a spur of a moment decision, because I came to know what Miss Nepal is really about, and I really wanted to participate, to learn, to make connections. Now that I'm here, I'm like so glad that I made that decision.
We're also very glad. We're very glad to have each one of you, not just 5 of you, but all the 21 contestants. And all of you have very beautiful hair, I can see. So I know that so yeah, let's say hair care tip dinu paryo bhane ke tip dinu huncha hola. We will start with Sija.
She's hair.
I must say I'm blessed with beautiful hair किनभने मेरो ममको पनि एकदम राम्रो कपाल छ हैन. Not
It's in the genes.
It's in the gene. Plus, in addition to it, अब राम्रो भयो भन्दामा we need to preserve it पनि नि त. अब कलरिङ यता उता गऱ्यो भने बिग्रिन्छ. म चाहिँ once a week I coconut oil use गर्छु, and then अनि लिभोनले अस्ति हामीलाई एउटा ह्याम्पर दिएको छ ग्रिजको, त्यसको चाहिँ नुहाउनु अगाडि त्यो मोइस्चराइजर क्रेम ओइल युज गर्छु. सो इट्स नाइस. अनि प्लस त्यो स्याम्पू पनि प्याराबेन र सल्फेट फ्री छ, एन्ड इट्स अल्सो हेल्पिङ. सो त्यही नै हो अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ.
That's the hair care tip.
Yes.
Use Livon shampoo and cream oil and conditioner. Okay, Astika.
म त त्यही हो, नुहाउनु अगाडि सधैँ आई टेल प्रिफर एभ्रिबडी हेयर ओइल नै बेस्ट लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ होइन. अनि yeah, that's that.
That's the hair care tip. Right?
That's all I do. No wonder my hair is thin.
Why not?
Already.
It's not thin or anything. It's actually very nice.
Thank you.
It's nice.
Thank you.
Shubha.
Okay, I have 2 tips for the hair. The first one is definitely the oil massage, and after the wash, I think the best thing we can do is the use to Livon hair serum. So I do that, and that's what my hair is like, a silky one from that. Thank you.
Okay, Namrata.
I think they have said the part, but one tip is that never take your hair for granted. It is your crowning glory, and if you treat your hair nicely, it will treat you back.
Yes.
So that's what.
Isto dine answer for
Slow
clap. Never take your hair for granted.
Yes.
Of course, yes. The 3 strands on my head are saying that, crying out loud. Nishma, don't. Okay, Riya.
मेरो चाहिँ it's very curly, so I try not to use much heat, and of course I oil my hair and try not to comb it. Right? I think you curly.
I know. I was about to say, yeah, don't comb. If you have curly hair, don't comb. Comb it after you apply a lot of conditioner and only when it's wet. And there's a lot of there's a long list. I'm not supposed to give tips. Okay. Thank you, Riya, and thank you for representing curly hair.
But right now I straightened it, so
It's okay. It's looking nice.
body.
Okay. So about styling ko kura garo, right? I really want to know, what do you think is the most stylish co-contestant you have? We'll start with Riya.
Let me think. I think Supriya.
Supriya is nice.
I think whatever she wears, she carries it very well, so she looks very stylish.
Supriya is stylish. Okay, Namrata.
Rushmita.
Rushmita is stylish. Okay. Sija?
In terms of लुगा कि हेयर मात्र भन्नुभएको.
Overall.
ओभरअलमा चाहिँ आई वुड से आयुष्मा. सी इज द यङ्गेस्ट कन्टेस्टेन्ट, अनि उसको ड्रेसिङ सेन्स पनि राम्रो छ, अनि उसको मेकअप पनि एकदम अन पोइन्ट हुन्छ. सो आयुष्मा फर मी.
Okay, Ashika.
मलाई पनि आई थिङ्क आई वुड गो विथ सुप्रिया. एकदमै फर्स्ट इम्प्रेसनै सी हेड अलरेडी मेड द फर्स्ट इम्प्रेसन त झन् टक्क परेर आएको थियो नि. सो या आई थिङ्क इट्स हर.
Okay, Shiva.
So for me, it's Namrata. She's sitting right there because the day I met her, she was doing some kind of curls, and that just looks so great on her.
Thank you.
So that's why she is the one stylish for me.
Stylish for you. Okay. So अब चाहिँ हामी हाम्रो गेम तर्फ जान्छौँ. Okay?
Of course.
Okay, so गेममा चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि it's a quiz. है? So your quiz says it's about Livon. Because I have a lot of questions to ask for you girls. I'm just going to start it. Okay.
You rapid fire जस्तै हो.
Rapid fire just do.
Are we getting hampers?
You're getting
You already
accessories
got
Nepalko gift. Thank you for asking. You're getting accessories Nepalko gifts. है त्यसमा राम्रो accessories. I'm jealous one more time. So I mean, this year is all about gifts.
Yes, loving
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Yes.
What's your favorite gift that you received?
Livon.
Livon.
Oh my god.
What is your favorite gift that you've received?
Vanity bag, hands down.
Yes.
It's very well, thanks.
It's very posh.
Nice. Okay. So Livon ko barema questions tha hai, and anybody who gives me right answer gets the hamper from Accessories Nepal. Okay. So the first question is to Namrata. How many products do we have?
I think 7.
We will be 7 very soon, but we are 5 right now. Okay, so we have shampoo, conditioner, cream oil, serum, spray. If anybody else knows the answer, they can join in, eh? Okay,
sure.
ल सो हामीसँग चाहिँ सल्फेट एन्ड प्याराबेन फ्री स्याम्पू र कन्डिसनर छ कतिवटा टाइपमा छ होला त्यो
2 or 3 maybe.
Yoda.
Do you know the types? Does anybody know the types?
Not really.
Okay, it's 3 types. Damage hair ko lagi or normal hair ko lagi and arko cha dry hair ko lagi. Okay. We launched shampoo and conditioner. In what year did we launch it, Ria?
2018.
2019.
2019 is the right answer.
Yeah, it's very recent.
Okay. We have different types of serum.
Yes.
How many types of serum do we have?
There are 2 types.
2.
Oh.
The Yoda say
I think for the dry hair
Damage
one
protect,
and for the damage
frizz
protection
free.
or the normal one.
frizz free.
I love the confidence.
Damage
I love the confidence. I love the confidence, but it's 4. Okay, so we have color protect, we have normal, dry, and damage. So it's 4. How do you think you guys are performing?
I think we are giving our best.
Confidence.
With confidence.
Mustafa is all about confidence. Mustafa is all about confidence.
Yes, definitely.
So we've been associated with Mustafa for a few years now. How many years has it been?
3, 18, 19, 20.
Yes. Nice, Namrata. So हाम्रो अहिले एउटा स्किम चलिरहेको छ कसैलाई थाहा छ त्यो स्किमको बारेमा लिभनले स्किम राखेको छ एकदमै राम्रो स्किम राखेको छ Does anyone know about that?
If
Fasino
somebody-
scooter.
Fasino scooter what?
Lucky draw?
Lucky draw what? Okay, we're going to join this puzzle, okay? Fasino scooter, lucky draw. अनि
लिभोनको सामान किन्दाखेरि चाहिँ we get a coupon अनि त्यो कुपन चाहिँ पछि लकी ड्रको बेलामा जसलाई पर्छ
लिभनको सामान किन्दा ओके अझ पनि कम्प्लिट भएको छ अलिकति
I saw someone getting some kind of scooter just because they
Fasino
want
scooter भयो just because they bought
Livon hair shampoo.
Shampoo and conditioner.
and conditioner.
Serum.
This is giving away words and words and words. Okay, म कम्प्लिट गरिदिन्छु ओके यस फसिनो स्कुटर पाउनुहुन्छ यदि यहाँहरूले चाहिँ भातपरेनी सुपर मार्केटबाट लिभन स्याम्पू ओर कन्डिसनर किन्नुभयो भने अनि यो चाहिँ मन्थली स्किम हो एभ्री मन्थ कसै न कसैले स्कुटर जितिरहनु भएको छ
We are getting so many gift hampers from Livon, so थाहा नै हुँदैन नि भातपरेनीमा कस्तो छ भनेर
We are just compensated
But I saw the picture in the Facebook, like one girl won the scooter, and I think her father bought her the Livon shampoo, and just because of that, she ended up winning the scooter.
Did you go and tell your father to buy you Livon shampoo?
I will from now.
From now, of course, eh?
Yes.
So yes, this is the scheme we have, and you guys performed. I think that bag is going to be there. Okay. So the next is hair game. How many of you like styling other person's hair?
I like it.
You like it?
I love it.
You don't like it?
I mean, I'm not good at it, so
You're not good at it?
Average.
Average. Okay. So Simal and Sija, please style Ashtika and Namrata's hair.
whoa, that's challenging.
I didn't know the game was about to flip.
Okay, I'm sorry, Ria. I just separated you out because you have a pony, eh? Also because we have 5 girls, and I hope you don't mind.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You can help me.
I know. She'll be there. There's another twist to it, I know. So, yeah, please go.
Okay.
Go.
She will be the judge, I guess.
Yeah, she can be the judge. Yes, she can be the judge. Okay.
Without.
So, Sija and Simon are ready to style Namrata and Astika. Ria is ready to be the judge. अनि अब यसमा चाहिँ कस्तो भन्दाखेरि I'm giving you 2 minutes. 2 मिनट मात्रै छ हैन अनि you can you please grab this Namrata? No. यसमा चाहिँ हामीले तपाईहरुको लागि केही सामानहरु राखेको छौं इट्स ओपन सो यसमा सामानहरु छ यु क्यान युज इट सो पिक समथिङ फर द स्टाइलिङ अनि म टाइमिङ दिन्छु त्यसपछि वी क्यान स्टार्ट pick something pick everything you need and त्यसपछि you will keep the box back don't teach अनि Livon serum yes please take Livon serum it's the must
Good luck.
okay please keep the box back बिस्तारै राख्दा हुन्छ or she can hold it for you she will hold it I think you're the judge be the judge okay so your time starts in 3 2 1
Please don't mind if I make you horrible.
Sure.
So meanwhile,
Give your best.
I have few questions about Mr. Pals. I have few questions about Mr. Pals, and I think you girls can answer. So anybody can answer, right? So let me answer the answer. UP is your another chance to win accessories Nepal ko goodies, right? So who is the youngest from Mr. Pal?
Charna Bajracharya, 1997.
How old was she?
She was, I think, 16 or 17.
16 or 17, yeah, somewhere there. Okay. Who is the first Miss Nepal to represent Nepal in Miss World?
Again, Charna Bajracharya.
Nice.
Because that year, the very year, the Hidden Treasure acquired the franchise from the Miss World.
Yeah.
So yes, Charna Bajracharya ma'am
Okay.
represented.
Who is Miss Nepal 2001?
2000? We don't
There
have
is no
2001 because
Miss
the
Nepal.
World Massacre was
Darren, you have 2 minutes.
okay.
Okay. Who are the 2 beauty queens who did not win Beauty with a Purpose title, but they have placed in Beauty with a
Asmi
Purpose?
Shrestha,
Nikita Chandler.
Where? How far did she reach?
top 5.
Top 5, right?
Beauty with a
Nikita Chandler?
Top 15, I guess.
Top 10.
Top 10.
Top 10. Okay.
उनीहरूलाई क्वेसन थाहा थियो हो
No, but maybe they know about Miss Nepal so much. Okay, so एक वर्ष चाहिँ 2टा Miss Nepal crown भएको थियो.
1997. Charna Bajracharya
And
ma'am.
Nilima
Yes, Nilima Guru. She
Nilima
represented Nepal in the Asia Pacific.
I think they've just eaten a capsule since Miss Nepal like one. They just swallowed the के भन्छ pills or something.
दे आर रुममेट सो रातभरि यही गफ गरेर बस्छ
Could be. Okay, I'm just gonna ask a very tough question. Okay. So in one of the years, एकजना Miss Nepal चाहिँ dethroned भएर अर्को Miss Nepal आउनु भएको थियो. Do you know the year?
1998, I guess. Jyoti Pradhan.
She was dethroned and
And Poonam Glimiri was. No, Niru
Shrestha was crowned. Time up.
Yeah, I'm done. Actually,
You are done? Look at how she has done. Astika, show the hair. Show the hair. Astika, show the hair. No, don't put your hand. हात नराखेको देखाइदेऊ न please.
she took school, I think.
Thank you so much.
Namrata, show your hair.
Not
नम्रताले
bad.
हेयर ओइल गरेर भर्खर अब स्याम्पू गर्न छिर्ला so there is
They're not bad. I can feel it के भइरहेछ यहाँ भइरहेछ. But it's okay, you tried.
Okay, Riya, if you have to mark them, Astika Shimalले Astikako styling गरेकोलाई 1 देखि 10 सम्म marks दिनु पर्यो भने how much would you give?
Yeah, sure.
6?
6? Okay.
You would give this 6?
उसलाई सुहाएको छ
Okay.
उसलाई सुहाएको छ उसलाई एन 8
8.
तिम्रो बन्द बनाउन अलिक गाह्रो छ
बन्द बनाउन गाह्रो छ. Okay, Sija, congratulations.
You made me proud.
Alright, thank you so much, girls. You can sit back.
कपाल खोल्दा हुन्छ
निकाल्नु
कि?
मिल्छ होला यो.
Do you want to keep it?
अन्त त उसलाई कस्तो सुहाएको छ
के गरेछौ? म निकाल्देऊ त प्लिज.
I don't want to say give it.
I said I was not good at it.
That's why I don't.
But it's okay.
एकछिन राख्दै मेरो मन बनाएको जस्तो मेरो जिन्दगीको 2 मिनट खर्च गरेर चाहिँ कपाल बनाउनु
Good try. I want to see how it looks.
You don't want to see that, Asika.
Really?
No, just joking. It was actually looking nice. त्यस्तो हेयरस्टाइल पनि राम्रो देख्छ भने चाहिँ यु मस्ट बी रियली रियली
Oh my god. यस्तो हेयरस्टाइल मेरो चित्त दुख्यो
होइन श्रीमती, that was nice. Things I do for camera, you know, this is one of them. Okay, jokes apart, thank you so much for being such a sport and thank you so much for participating. मेरो final question छ मसँग अहिले चाहिँ कस्तो छ भन्दाखेरि there's a lot of criticism going around about beauty pageant होइन, and I really wanted to know what the contestants of Miss Nepal 2020 think about it. So Miss Nepal 2020 को प्रतिस्पर्धीको नाताले चाहिँ यहाँहरू जति पनि क्रिटिसिजम भइरहेको छ ब्युटी पेजेन्टको बारेमा सामाजिक सञ्जालमा पनि हामी देखिरहेका छौँ होइन, सबैजनाले भनिरहनु भएको छ, सबैजना भन्दा पनि अब धेरैजनाले कुरा भइरहेको छ, चर्चाको विषयमै छ. What do you have to say? के भन्नु मन छ यहाँहरूलाई? We will start with Astika.
मलाई चाहिँ आई थिङ्क इट्स सबैजनाको ओपिनियन हुन्छ होइन. अब कोही मान्छेलाई एउटै प्लेटफर्म राम्रो लाग्न सक्छ, कोहीलाई नराम्रो लाग्न सक्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल यो हेयर स्टाइल मेरोमा इट लुक लाइक रियली ब्याड होइन, तर उसको अलमोस्ट सिमिलर छ, दे लुक रियली गुड अन हर. अब सबैजनाको आफ्नै ओपिनियन हो, त्यसमा चाहिँ आई डोन्ट थिङ्क वी क्यान लाइक तिमी रङ हो तिमी राइट हो चाहिँ भन्न मिल्छ जस्तो चाहिँ लाग्दैन.
No, that hairstyle was really looking nice on you. I'm not joking.
Thanks.
Sija.
Well, taking into consideration the pandemic, it's affected everyone. So अब ब्युटी पेजेन्ट किन गरिरहेछ भन्ने कुरामा चाहिँ अब वाट एभर बी इट वी निड टु मुभ अन एन्ड त्यो भन्छ नि यु नो वाट एभर ह्यापन्स द सो मस्ट गो अन भनेर. सो द्याट्स वाट इट इज भन्छु म चाहिँ होइन. अब यस्तो छ भनेर केही नगरिकन बस्नुभन्दा गरेर होइन, वी गेट टु एम्पावर, वी गर्ल्स आर एम्पावर्ड कमिङ हेयर, न्यू एक्सपिरियन्स भयो पेन्डेमिकको बेलामा. प्लस अब हाम्रो हिस्ट्रीमा नाम लेखिन्छ पेन्डेमिकको बेलामा मिस नेपालको कन्टेस्टेन्ट भनेर. सो त्यो पनि छ, लुकिङ एट द पोजिटिभ साइड भनौँ न.
Okay, that's nice. Well said. Namrata?
I believe controversies are just a part of something very famous, and having said that, सबैजनाको आफ्नो आफ्नो ओपिनियन भइहाल्छ. And taking it from me, who has participated in Miss Nepal twice, I'd already reached very far, but still I came back because I know what this platform holds for me, and I believe it's just perception, individual perception.
Okay, Riya?
I also think there is like good side and bad side to everything होइन. how you take it चाहिँ हुँदो रहेछ. अनि मेरो लागि चाहिँ आई जस्ट लुक एट द गुड थिङ्स के अब नथिङ इज पर्फेक्ट, तर गुड थिङ्स हेरेर अनि सबैजना हामी पनि त्यसको गुड साइड हेरेर चाहिँ आएको जस्तो लाग्छ.
So it's okay.
So of course it's okay.
Okay, wonderfully said, ladies, and I'm so happy to meet you all, and I'm really looking forward to your journey. Finale is of course coming near होइन, नजिक आइरहेको छ फिनाले. सबैजना अब कसले क्राउन जित्छ भन्ने कुराको खुल्दिनी सबैलाई नै भइरहेको छ, हाम्रो दर्शकहरूलाई पनि भइरहेको छ, यहाँहरूलाई पनि भइरहेको छ, मलाई पनि भइरहेको छ, सबै टिम मेम्बर्सहरूलाई पनि भइरहेको छ डेफिनेटली. बट आई एम रियली लुकिङ फरवर्ड टु इट, एन्ड आई नो वाट यु आर लुकिङ फरवर्ड टु. Finally, after performing so horrible. No, but this is just a way of thanking you. Right? And Accessories Nepal has given you gifts.
Thank you, Dee.
That game was just to, you know, just for fun.
Thank you.
So, कसैले answer दिए पनि नदिए पनि, this gift was yours. Sunny, thank you so much for being such a sport, for participating, entertaining us. Confidently saying the wrong answer. Somebody has to give you credit for saying answers. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
With this, I hope you guys also enjoyed today's episode. जति मलाई मजा आयो, यहाँलाई पनि मजा आयो होला, र जति पनि यहाँहरूले पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सको बारेमा अलिअलि क्वेसन्स थियो होला, कस्तो छ होला पर्सनालिटी भन्ने क्वेरी भइरहेको थियो होला, त्यो पनि यहाँहरूको क्वेरी मेट्यो होला भन्ने म आशा गर्छु. With this, I'm Nishma signing out. You guys have a wonderful time ahead.